Hi Josh, I was looking at this girl's portfolio and I think she has some skills, but she needs to work on traditional drawing. And I say that because, the animation is all about knowing anatomy and copying anime is a cheap way to do it, but when you get right down to it, it you got to be able to understand what knuckles really look like, and a little finger would be smaller and it would go the other way. This is tracing, but I mean, look at these hands. I can tell that there was more tracing going on here by the confidence of the torso and the proportions of the face, but it's real telling with the fingers that she actually doesn't know how to draw. So, and this, she's confident in software. I thought this was really, really good, but it looks like it's probably designed by somebody else. Maybe she copied it. And then the other thing I thought, yes, I have a bird on my shoulder. I thought her animation skills, her 3D animation skills were really good. And I was impressed by this character until I got to the end and I saw that she didn't actually make the model. So if she has more like life drawing stuff, I think she should show that. Otherwise, I mean, the framework of the portfolio is really nice. The interface, this photo of her is excellent and friendly. But I don't know if you want her to look at other schools. So there's CalArts and there's Ringling. I know they're both sort of famous for computer animation. But she should see her competition. I mean, I always hate to break that to students, but if you wanted to talk to her about, that sort of cheap anime, she needs to look and see, you know, who's graduating from Ringling and what kind of work they're delivering, real skills with life drawing as well as character animation or whatever. I could find more portfolios if you want, but those are my general thoughts. Okay, bye.